Hello there. This right here is a Python script and a CSV file. I wonder where we're going with this. So, let's first take a look at this CSV. We have a couple columns here. So we have our ID, our name, last name, age, height, and gender. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is in this Python script we're importing a couple packages. First pandas, that's PD, that's panda SQL, SPS, and we're importing time. So first we are reading the CSV and we're just gonna setting the index to ID. Then we're grabbing the string of the input to the answer to this question. So we're just asking this, I need to add a last name. Then say they choose age, for example. This code right here will go. So first it says we're grabbing the int of the age, then we're doing a query, select all from data where age is higher than or equal to blank. Then formatting age into the blank. Then we're going to print out the response of people whose ages are higher than or equal to your search. So let's run it. Let's see it. Alright. I need to fix that escape sequence. Oh. Alright, let's try this. Let's try this code. There we go. Now this should work. Okay. Delete both. And now let's run this. Let's just try ID. So an ID of 6 returns Tom Clancy, age 66, a height of 6 feet, and gender of male. Easy as that. You can apply this, say if I were just to adjust. If you have a massive database like this, for example, with just thousands of lines long, then yes, absolutely, you would want to have a sorter that you could use just as that. Alright, see ya.